free live TV channels are available. You just need to set up your antenna correctly. In this video, I will show you how to properly connect the antenna to your Samsung TV, how to scan for channels the right way, and what to do if no channels show up or the signal is weak. Most antenna issues happen because the setup or scan was not done correctly, and I'll help you fix that step by step. Let's start by connecting the antenna the right way. Go ahead and turn your Samsung TV around and look at the back or the side panel. You're looking for a small round port labeled ANT in, RF in, or sometimes cable/antenna. Once you find it, take the coax cable from your antenna and push it into that port. Then twist it clockwise until it feels snug. Don't leave it loose. Even a small loose connection can stop channels from coming in. If your antenna has a power adapter, plug it into a wall outlet and make sure it is powered on if there is a power light. Now let's make sure your TV is set to the correct source. Turn on your TV. If your remote has a source button, press it and choose TV. If there is no source button, press the home button, go over to source, and select TV from the list. This step is very important. The broadcasting settings will not work if your TV is set to HDMI, so double check that you are on the TV input before moving to the next step. Next, we need to scan for channels. Press the home button, go to settings, open that, then scroll to broadcasting. Inside that menu, select auto program, then choose start. When the TV asks for the signal type, select air, not cable, because you are using an antenna. After that, the scan will begin. Let it run all the way until it reaches 100%. Do not exit early. When it finishes, select close, and your channels should appear. If no channels are found, first check the cable again. Make sure it is tightly screwed into the ANTIN port. A loose cable can mean 0 channels. Also check that your input is set to TV and not HDMI, because auto program can appear grayed out if the wrong source is selected. If everything is correct and still no channels show up, move your antenna closer to a window. Keep it away from thick walls and large metal objects. After moving it, run the scan again. If only a few channels show up, try placing the antenna as high as possible. Height can improve reception. You can also rotate or reposition the antenna in a different direction. Every time you adjust it, run the scan again to see if more channels are found. If channels appear but look fuzzy or keep breaking, move the antenna closer to a window and away from metal shelves or other electronics. You can also check the signal strength. Go to settings, then support, then self-diagnosis, and select signal information. If the signal is weak, reposition the antenna and scan again. If the channels disappear after scanning or do not save, go into the settings and make sure your TV is set to home mode, not retail or demo mode. That's it for this video on how to install an antenna on your Samsung TV and scan for free local channels the right way. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you connect everything properly and get the best signal possible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech guides. If you have any questions or if moving the antenna and rescanning worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.